The goal of this project was to improve upon the previous year's model. Some aspects we considered in achieving this goal were improving the aesthetics, functionality, manufacturability, and weight of the design. One concept design incorporated square aluminum tubing cut at angles and welded together. This model also called for battery storage underneath the seat and a 13-inch rear hub motor. The second design was similar to a bicycle frame, consisting of circular aluminum tubing for the chassis that would be bent to the correct specifications. This design also called for a 13-inch hub motor, while the battery would be located in the front part of the chassis. We compared our concept designs and selected the best aspects of each design and consolidated them into a final design. Once the design was finalized, we ordered the raw materials needed and fabricated the parts to the design specifications. This included cutting pieces for our chassis and frame of our all-aluminum design. The majority of the cuts were done using an angle grinder with an aluminum cutting blade. We hired an experienced welder to ensure quality welds of the design. Our new and improved swing arm design incorporates a four-bearing system that allows for a large range of motion of the suspension, making for a comfortable ride. The 3D printing was used to improve the aesthetics of the design. The size of our 3D prints were small enough to fit in a conventional desktop 3D printer, allowing for easy manufacturing. High-density polyethylene sheets were custom cut to the shape of the chassis, placed inside the 3D print brackets, and secured in place using panel rivets. Due to budget constraints, we reused the previous group's electronics, which proved to be problematic. The electronics were not optimal, and some of the components were not functioning properly. A new connection had to be soldered from the negative terminal of the battery to the BMS. Also, loose wires connecting to the DC-DC converter had to be resoldered. Lastly, loose wires within the system were reconnected. After months of troubleshooting, we were able to get power directed to the hub motor. Overall, we believe the improvements made to this moped resulted in a highly functional design with great aesthetics.